Hey, back again to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Sam FX YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to explain this Xiaomi Mi 11x or the Poco F3 Redmi K40 custom ROM reviews. Specifically, this 1.0.24.1.15 developer edition of HyperOS. That too, Redmi K50U ported ROM. This is we are going to get some extra features what we have to see in MIUI VN edition, MIUI something and all additions what we see in the customizations in the home screen. Those are now pre-included with HyperOS. I am really excited to test this ROM, and I am already using this particular ROM from last 2 days now. I'll be sharing my experience with this particular UI and what all the things I noticed and what all the customizations we get, what new things have been added, and how is the battery life and what all the benchmark results, and how is the gaming, especially the BGMI, how it handle in high FPS games. Everything will be explained in this particular video, guys. If you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, go ahead and like the video, because I will get motivation from you guys. If you like the video, I will be motivated to make similar kind of videos. Without wasting any time, let's begin this video. The version of HyperOS is here. You guys can see my device, Xiaomi HyperOS 1.0.24.1.15. Point developer by MMETMS developer. Thank you for making this particular ROM for Xiaomi Mi 11x or the Poco F3 or the Redmi K40. And we'll see some options into that. Detailed information you can see octa-core max 3.2 GHz, Mi 11 plus 6 GB extended RAM. For 8 GB model you get up to 8 GB. Version you can see Android version is 14. Again, this is the Easter egg you get. Baseband version you can read. Kernel usage is 4.19.157. Perf kernel has been used. Hardware version is 6 here. This is how it is. Device activation you can see from here. This is the information you get, and you also get Mi Mover backup and restore and factory and certification from here. HyperOS customization, here are some customization has been added here. Let me increase a little bit of brightness. Yes, and you also can see the quick settings toggle, which is cool here, exactly similar to iOS kind of style, as you can see. And in the edit section you also get these kind of options. You can jumble them, or you can even add here if you don't want that. And you can see the playback, media playback here from. And we'll be seeing this extended power menu. That's the thing added. Show AM PM again. If you want into the timer, you can add it in the lock screen. Actually, that is extended power menu. As you can see, now you can directly boot into fast boot and recovery using that extended power menu. Enable dynamic island. This one will show you. As you can see, silent mode is off. Let me show you again. Now silent mode is on, and that's how the dynamic island is actually working in this particular ROM. Enable that iOS like dynamic island. If I disable that, let's see how it actually works like. Yeah, this is proper MIUI 1. I recommend to go with this only. No need to use that iOS kind of thing. It's kind of very tiny. It again depends upon your personal preference. Max FPS in all app. If you want, you can keep it force here, and always shows notification on lock screen. If you want that, you can enable that, and some of the other options and the maintainer you can see from here. Now moving into the Bluetooth settings, you can see additional settings. You get these kind of options here. And guys, if you're using any Bluetooth earphones, if there is no AAC support and LDAC, make sure the update will receive for you in the Bluetooth settings. After using a certain period of time, you get update, then you will get those options here. Interconnectivity, again this all Xiaomi ecosystem here. And more connectivity options, you get NFC cache printing measure. NFC is not available for Mi 11x at least. And private DNS, VPN, and portable hotspot, nearby share, Android Auto, Chromebook. You will get options to reset them also. And wallpapers and customization, this is the default app you get, and this is personalized lock screen options. You guys can see here. Start here, as you can see. yeah, magazine kind of, and rhombus is my favorite one. Will see in the screen, in the camera screen, I'm checking out which will look better. Let's try this. And pinch to crop is also there. Wallpaper again, that's okay. Filter will go with this kind of things, like nothing wallpapers like that. This one looks better here. Matte effect, yeah, don't want matte effect. And apply. Also turn on the always on display, then only these lock screen customizations will work. As you can see, yeah, will show that. Okay, first this is the always on display. Now again, if you press that, as you can see, this how it looks like. It's clearly that's an HyperOS customization. Again, themes, if you want any other thing, this is iOS status where it is currently. Is it in, yeah, you can apply this. Let's see. Yeah, this looks exactly same here. Nothing change. I haven't seen any that huge change here. The widgets, if I press and hold here again, yeah, for some reason widgets are, yeah, we'll see. Categories wise, you get this only in this kind of ported ROMs only. As you can see, there are plenty of widgets actually. I think we'll come back here again. Wallpapers again, these will not get download. Super wallpapers, stay tuned for new releases. When they will release, I don't know. And shape and shadow, you get all the 9 wallpapers here. Floral arrangements, and this nature patterns, gradient and crystallization, these are my 14 wallpapers. You also get this system wallpapers here. That's fine in my opinion again. And here the time, you guys can see it's in Chinese. You can change them from here into the settings, and time zone, region default is there, and time zone you can use that and change that. Yeah, from here, as you can see, traditional Chinese calendar, Indian calendar. Let's skip that. Yeah, now will it reboot again? Indian calendar will do one thing. We'll close that and open again. It's now went to clock. Anyhow, you also get this clock features here into settings again. You get plenty of options here, as you can see. Now, yeah, whether it will look like this, you get a lot more customization here too, but you get this kind of graphs. I really liked it here in the update. They have done change here. Even the recorder, you guys can see the recorder again. You can see the animations once you open or close the app, and recording quality, once you turn this on, you will get other options. Earpiece mode is also given, which is currently good in my opinion. Let's try those things and we'll update you guys. And scanner, downloads and contacts option, you can see the animations I really like. And calculator here is this one, and history is there, and settings is also given in this particular ROM. Music application is there. I really like the animations what they have implemented in this particular ROM. Moving into camera, here you get a proper Leica integrated one. Let's download these things. It will get downloaded. I think movie effects, director mode, everything is there. In the photo mode, in the video mode, 4K 60 is not available, 4K 30 is available, but Leica integrated camera this is. And see the animations again. We'll go into settings and continue that. We were around lock screen now. This is very simple here, nothing more. And notification status bar, again notification style, you can choose that. And notch in individual apps. For certain app is not playing in full screen, then you can allow it to make always show notch, then it will be in full screen. Smart device controls, none. If you want Google Home, Mi Home Hub, then you can allocate them. Control center style, definitely anyone will use newer only. On home screen, here you get plenty of options, as you can see. Arrange items and recents, again iOS recent style. You can hide status bar and recents, show memory status, and other options. You can see there are some options. This how the recent apps is exactly similar to iOS kind of style. I really like this particular ROM because of these changes. Anyhow, you also get these options, system navigation, and with the app drawer you get all these options here. Group icons by color, icon style, again you get these kind of options here. Classic here, yeah, it's not a themed icon style. Anyhow, double tap to sleep is given. Display and auto brightness, as you can see, you get dark theme here. Implementation is pitch black, as you can see. Again, we'll go into settings, yeah, into the display and brightness, turn on the light theme. You'll get screen brightness or sunlight mode, smoothen, transitions, advanced textures, color scheme. Again, let me keep to saturated, refresh rate default, and custom you get 90 120 like that. Anyhow, keep it default here. Font settings, AI image engine, you get all this option, sober resolution and other thing. In sound and touch, again you get plenty of options here too, nothing more fancy. Sound effects, again allow all the time. Now here Dolby Atmos is pre-installed. Xiaomi sound is also given here, but recommend to go with Dolby Atmos. And fingerprints, face unlock, everything has been added already. Let's check that out. Fingerprint, you need to press here. Okay, we'll change that first and come back here. Yeah, these are the things you need to be considered, guys. Fingerprint unlock is, yeah, press, make it touch. Now will be working fine. As you can see, it's very much quick to unlock your smartphone using this fingerprint unlock on this HyperOS latest port ROM available. Yeah, face unlock, let's check that out. Yeah, swipe to unlock. You need to disable that to stay on lock screen if you want that, but it will be better to check this thing. But it is quick to unlock your smartphone using both of the options. And battery here, as you can see, current mode is balanced. You get all these options here, and this is the screen on time and what other things has been gone here. And I was actually checking active battery here. Where is that? Yeah, into the, I was actually using that, but where is the charging information? I don't know. Yeah, you guys can see some of the information provided here, but for some reason, yeah, now you can see here this how the results whatever I got in the active battery, just minimal here, but it is good. The battery life is good in this particular ROM, what I can say. And moving back again here, screen time, that's digital well-being. Anyhow, additional settings, again here plenty of options. You get date and time, language and input. They have added plenty of languages here, even Indian specific languages, as you can see, Urdu and other languages you can see. Those are not present in any of the ported custom ROM of HyperOS that is present on this Mi 11X Poco F3 or Redmi K40. After this, updating this particular ROM. Enhance keyboard, you get default and enhance and left and right shortcut central area. You can add them. And you also get one-handed mode. Quick ball feature is also there. No one uses that. Accessibility menu feature is also given. Front camera assistant tabless, again it will be handy feature. Memory extension, as I said before, you will get up to what storage RAM you have. Over that you get extra similar to that. Accounts and sync, enterprise mode, additional app features also you get here. And this all the customizations what we get in this particular. Let's see the app and benchmark results in this particular ROM. We'll see some benchmark results here in the file manager. Yeah, screenshot of this Geekbench score, Linux 4.1.157 perf kernel has been used. Android version is 14, model is Mi 11X here. 3313 is the multi score and 1147 is the single score. And this is 100th test of CPU throttling test results. Maximum is 332, average is 303, minimum is 270 million JPS, and this is 91% of its max performance. I mean, throttling is there, but it is controlled a lot according to that particular app. 8,41,730 is the score. 5% of battery has been dropped. Even 5 degrees Celsius has been increased, and this is turbo watt charging support is available in this particular ROM. And both CTS profile match and basic integrity get passes here. You can use all the payment applications to use in this particular ROM, and level 1 certified in DRM information. You can again watch HD resolution in OTT application, and 240 Mbps. This is Wi-Fi speed what I achieved. Very good. I haven't faced any issues in this particular ROM. As you can see, some of the pre-installed apps like gallery, again if you want to show this, recognize text, recognize table, create PDF and protective watermark, other things you guys can see everything remains same here. You can even edit the photo here, and you get plenty of options here. Even video editing option is also there. Once I record any of the video, you get plenty of options here. Definitely you should use this gallery application to enhance any photos or videos, or to edit. If you're a creator also, it will be beneficial for you, what I want to say. And messaging application, it looks like this, guys. And dialer, you get near proper dialer, you get call recording feature also. You can enable for automatically all numbers, select numbers, custom list also you can make it out. I really like these kind of customizations, guys. I really felt this ROM is very smooth. The quick settings panel and the app drawer and the customizations they are offering this recent apps, as you can see, exactly kind of iOS kind of style. You also see the storage available here. Let's see the BGMI gameplay, what are the graphics settings we get and how it handle in this particular HyperOS ROM. Let's go. And also volume panel, as you can see, you get these kind of things here. Even the quick settings toggle, you guys can see here. This is how it looks, and notifications you can see from here. Also, not just that, you also get this game mode here. Keep it performance here, and you guys can see. And again, guys, if you run the benchmark scores using performance mode, it might get a little bit better and enhance the visuals. Just enable that smart frame rate, super resolution, just enable that. And here also I'll keep bright and saturated, and you get some of the options to record the screen fast, screenshot, clear memory, and CPU GPU stats. Here we will get my favorite game 11x not just in this game, always in classic matches also I'll play. And let me know in the comment section, guys, which classic map does not have M762. Let me know in the comment section. Who will answer the correct answer, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, we will get that person very soon. Yeah. I even enable the peak and fire here. And graphics settings, smooth plus 90fps, ultra HDR options are also given. Yeah, it was close here. Counter attacks also not having any problem here, as you can see. Everything is running smooth with 90fps support here. This is gaming mode, as you can see. I really like this particular ROM, guys, even while gaming or anything like that, as you can see. Yeah, definitely if you play classic matches in hard drop, there will little bit of lag here. But apart from that, everything is fine. You might not face any huge lag or anything like that. Definitely you should remember what is the performance. We have Snapdragon 870 here. It might handle up to that only. You can't go beyond or above that. Yeah, and internet connectivity is also a major role while playing any kind of this high FPS games. Those makes any huge difference, guys. And you also should be skillful. For example, you need to use this peak and fire and gyroscope, and controlling should be easy for you. Those things make you play better in any kind of games, not just this. Yeah, we'll come back here, guys. Now coming to conclusion, guys, this is a very good great ROM actually. In fact, I'm using this for a couple of days. I felt really happy. I have already made couple of videos on HyperOS for Poco F3 or the Redmi K40 or the Mi 11X, guys. It's kind of similar, but what I noticed is it's a little bit better in terms of stability, and even performance here is a little bit better compared to those two ROMs. You should definitely try this ROM as a daily drive, but there are some bugs what I have mentioned in the video. But overall, it's a great ROM for Mi 11X or the Poco F3 or the Redmi K40, guys. That's it I want to say in this video. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.